This is Zach and Dexter's Best. Today we are putting in a Fort Knox 8248 vault door. So the rough opening is 82 tall by 48 wide. This door also has a full layer of AR 500 ballistic rated steel inside, so it's going to get towards the 2,000 pound mark. Door's pretty big, pretty heavy. We're putting it in new construction, and we're going to show you what that process looks like. All right, so Ethan is doing a little bit of work back there, fixing that rough opening. They wanted the door elevated about 1.5 inches, so some of what was at the top has to come out so we can fit that in. So weird that it's pink. All right, so we've got the door seated in the rough opening behind me here. We're gonna start putting on the flanges. Right now, Ethan's holding the other side. Once we put the top flange on, we consider basically it's safetied off, that it can't fall back out. And we've checked to make sure that our door is level there as we start to put on the flanges to hold the wall. All right. This is getting a sub 4 put in 1 3/4 with radiant after, but we have all the flanges on. I have not seen this door yet. Let's go see what it looks like. Little condensation on there. It is winter after all. Pretty cool. We'll get the handles on next. There we go. And there it is. 8248 Fort Knox vault door with AR 500 liner. That's it.